just putting my hand here just in case.
Oh! You were touching it?
A little bit. Just keep practicing, you'll get better. You'll get the hang of it. It's just like the Stasic. Go, so you can balance. Very good. Keep it going. By yourself, and I'm just helping you in the corners. Yep. Keep going. Turning. Start turning. Look where you're going. Turn. Oh. There you go. There you go. Hey, hey, hey. There you go. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. There you go. There you go. Good job, buddy. You want to stop? Okay, you can stop. Perfect. That was perfect. All right, let's try again. ¿Otra vez? Dale pues. Woo! Yep, you just press gas and you go. You ready? Here, you hold the front brake. You hold this front brake, this one. Hold it until you're ready to go. Alright? I got it. I know, buddy. That's fine.
It feels like
Come on. Alright. Put both feet down. Both feet down, and until you're ready to go, you just go. Okay? You ready to go? Just give it gas. And you're gonna go. Good job, buddy! Proud dad moment. It's raining, as you can see. Good job, buddy! Super proud of my boy. Look at him. Oh, it's raining today and he wants to ride in the rain. can't say I wasn't like that as a teenager. Good job, buddy. I'm gonna follow you on the little bike, okay? I'm gonna follow you on the little bike. I got you, buddy. I got you. Get out of the rut. Here. Stay on it. Stay on it. Put your foot up here. Put your this foot right here. There you go. There you go. Ready to go? Go! Good job, buddy.